Hello guys, welcome. Now we are going to see about linear search. Let's see the contents which are we going to discuss about linear search in this video. First, we are going to learn about linear search, then algorithm of linear search, then an example about it, and then what are the advantages of linear search and what are the disadvantages of linear search. Finally, analysis of linear search. Linear search is a sequential search. It works based on the comparison of two elements. It uses a loop to step through an array. It starts with the first element and it compares each an element with the value being searched for. If either the value is found or it reaches the end of the array, then it is encountered. If the value being searched is not in the array, then algorithm will unsuccessfully search to the end of the array. Since the array elements are stored in linear order, searching the element in the linear order make it easy and efficient. The search may be successful or unsuccessful. That is, if the required element is found in the given array, then the search is successful. Otherwise, if the required element is not found in the given array, then it is unsuccessful. Now let's see algorithm of linear search. Let us consider an array A and the size of the array is n and the value that we are going to search is x. In step 1, we are going to set the value of I to 1. In step 2, if I is greater than n, then go to step 7. That means if I is greater than n, here n is the size of the array. That means we compared each and every element of the array and it reaches the end of the array. So the element we are searching for is not found. So we are going to step 7, which means print element not found. In step 3, if a of I is equal to x, then go to step 6. At index I, we found the element that we are searching. Then we go to step 6. That means printing element x is found at index I and then we exit the loop. Otherwise, in step 3, if we not found the element, we set the value of I to I plus 1 in step 4. And this process runs until we found the element or we reach the end of the array. Now let's see an example for linear search. Here an array is given and the size of the array is 5. At index value 0, we have 106, and at index value 1, we have 25, and at index value 2, we have 69, at index value 3, we have 37, at 38, at index value 4. And we are going to search for element 37. In linear search, the first element is compared with the element that we are going to search. Here 106 is not equal to 37. So it moves to the second step. In second step, we have 25 at index value 1. And this 25 is compared with the value we are going to search. That means 25 is compared with 37. If 37 is equal to 25, then it prints the value is found. But here 37 is not equal to 25. So it moves to the next iteration. In third iteration, at index value 2, we have value 69. And this 69 is compared with 37. They are not equal. So it just moves to the next step. In this step, we are at index position 3 and the value at index position 3 is 37 and the element we are going to search is 37. Here they both are equal. So it prints the value is found at index position 3 and the loop also terminates. Now let's see the advantages of linear search. Linear search is simple. It is very easy to understand and it is very easy to implement. It does not require the data in the array to be stored in any particular order. It will be done whether the data in the array is stored in sorted order, otherwise or in unsorted order. Now let's see disadvantages of linear search. Linear search has very poor efficiency because it takes a lots of comparisons to find a particular record in big files. The performance of the algorithm scales linearly with the size of the input. If the given array is very big, then it takes lots of comparisons to find the element. Linear search is slower than other searching algorithms. Now let's see final part of our video, analysis of linear search. How long will our search take? There are some cases. In best case, if the target value is in the first element of the array, the search takes some tiny constant and amount of time. The, the element is found at first iteration. In worst case, the target value is in the last element of the array. So the search takes an amount of time proportional to the length of the array. It takes the size of the array and it takes the size of the array times of the iteration. In the average case, the target value is somewhere in the array. In fact, since the target value will be anywhere in the array, an element in the array is equally likely. So on average, the target will be in the middle of the array. So the search takes an amount of time proportional to half the length of the array. In this video, we have seen about introduction to linear search, algorithm of the linear search, and example of the linear search. And we discussed about what are the advantages of linear search and disadvantages of the linear search. Finally, analysis of the linear search. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching the video.